So question number 6a says solve the triangle. So I need to find the angle B, angle C, and the third side A. And I need to recognize that I either have to use a sine law or the cosine law. So in this case I have side, angle, side. So that means I need to apply the cosine law in this case. So first finding the angle, the opposite side length A, I'm going to use a cosine law. So I end up with a squared is equal to 10 squared plus 12 squared. And I account for that non-90-degree triangle with the minus 2 times a times, or sorry, in this case, b times c, and then cosine of the angle given, which is angle A. And plugging this into my calculator, I get a squared is equal to 100 plus 144 minus 240 cosine of 50 degrees. Okay, typing that into my calculator, I get 100 plus 144 minus 240 cosine of 50 degrees. And we end up with a length. Well, I just need to adjust my... I end up with a length, or sorry, an area of a squared equals 89.73 approximately. So side A is going to be the square root of that. So A is equal to 9.47. Okay, so that being 9.47. And then I can work out either angle B or C using the sine law. So I'm just going to use the sine law for pair up side B and side A. So I'm going to write my ratio as sine of, let's rewrite that, sine of 50 degrees over the opposite side 9.47 is equal to the sine of angle B over the side opposite to B, which is 12. Solving this for sine B, I'm going to end up with 12 divided by 9.47 and then timesing that by sine of 50 degrees. Okay, so my sine ratio works out to be 0.970 approximately, and angle B can be found by using the inverse sine function. So inverse sine, I get an angle of 76.03. Okay, now we do have to be careful of the theta 1, theta 2 issue, but in this case here, the opposite side length is longer. Notice I chose, so this is my angle B. The opposite side length is longer than that side there, so there's only one triangle possible, so this is a unique solution. So my side length is 9.47, and the angle here works out to be 76.03 degrees. Now, if you want to avoid this issue of the theta 1, theta 2, or the ambiguous case, we could use the cosine law to find the other angle there. And then by deduction, we go 180 minus the 50 degrees known, minus the 76.03 degrees known, and angle C works out to be 53.97 degrees.